Morning. So it is currently. Let me see. Oh no, I can't do it. Currently 4 o'clock in the morning. Getting some breakfast in. We're heading up to Whangaroa this morning. Going out on the bro's boat. Without the bro. So going with his partner. Her and I are going out. My partner's home. She's a bit crook. He's staying home. Because he's got work today. He's still got work today. It's only Friday. So it's the partner's going out. Yeah, we're not going to be. Actually, we are. We're going to go chase some kingies today. We're not going outside. We're staying inside the harbour in Whangaroa. And, yeah. It's always a good trip going up there. Always a good trip. Whether you can catch them or not. Good kingies, big snapper. And it's beautiful. It's beautiful up there too when you catch it that day, right? Winds aren't supposed to get too bad today, but you know how we do. We yeah, always on the lookout. So here's hoping. All right, we'll see you up there.
Did you hook your lower up?
Nah, not yet. Holy shit!
What's up?
Huh? No, one just kind of whooshed out of the water over here, and it was huge. Oh, actually, can you pass that other lure in that thing?
The what?
Yeah.
White one?
Yeah. That's gonna do it for us. Quick change.
That'll do it. That's the one. Ciao, bird. Come on, there's got to be one greedy smurf in there. Slamming away there, aren't you? Just waiting for it to blast off. Well, oh, your line. Oh, my one hasn't had bites in ages. What? Oh, I was too busy watching yours. Shit. Oh, it's a kahawai. This way, no you dick. Yeah. big too. Mean. Yeah. No? Did it come off? Ah, shit. Damn. Oh, what? Ah. Oh well, they're biting now. So that happened while you weren't looking. Gee. Hey, that's got someone's line in it. He's gone and broken someone else off.